Heading to Seoul. Are you excited to go to Seoul, Ian?
Yeah.
We're a bit early for our reservation, so we're just gonna walk around. And London Bridge is pretty much back in full swing. It's so busy around here. We just finished dining and it was so delicious.
It was nice.
The portions were quite good, but I think some people may think they're small.
Yeah.
But then that's kind of like fine dining. Good morning, I'm going to be unboxing my new camera. I had to buy a new one because when I was traveling, the wind was blowing really strongly, so my camera just fell and then the lens broke. I got the Sony ZV-1 camera, which is apparently really good for vloggers and also not too expensive. I'll also put a link in the description box if you want to check it out. I also got the GP-VP-T2BT grip. The lens view of this camera is not that great, so it's better to have it like further away when you're vlogging. Lots of instructions.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is the camera and it's pretty thin and it also has a screen which you can flip. It's really useful for when you're filming yourself and you kind of want to see what exactly you're filming. It also feels really light. The thing I really liked about this camera is that it came with a windbreaker for your mic and you just like pop that on here and it'll give you a lot crisper audio. This is the battery that you get. A lot of people have recommended getting a spare battery because apparently the battery life isn't so great. Oh, okay. And it kind of covers the on and off button, but I guess it's not too bad. Also, once you attach the death cap, make sure you don't lose this part here. This is quite a pricey grip. When I bought it with the camera, it was £90, so I guess there was some sort of discount or like deal package. But alone, I saw it retailing for around £130, which is so expensive. I've heard really good reviews about it. I guess the main complaint was just the price. Ooh, this is a Bluetooth grip and you can hook your camera onto this and you just tighten it by spinning this. This thing is so useful because you don't have to like spin your camera around. On the grip, you have the photo, movie, lock screen and buttons, and I think here you can zoom in and out. And you're supposed to pair it by a Bluetooth. It works super good as a tripod stand as well. You know when you're traveling, you're just like, hello! The grip comes with a battery, this battery, and also a case. This is my new full setup and it'll help me create better videos for you guys. There are loads of good resources out there to just kind of watch the videos and like learn more about my camera. I think I'm gonna have to purchase a string so that I can just hold my camera around my neck because this doesn't come with any. So that was my camera unboxing. Breakfast today. There's some peach, Greek yogurt, granola, and I drizzle some honey on top as well. The pan plan for today is to head to an Italian restaurant called Morso and have dinner with a friend, so I'll see you guys there. This is my outfit for today. Lunch today is going to be a bread, ham, cheese, and tomato puree sandwich. British cheddar and also some mozzarella. So this is lunch for today, and it's a ham and cheese sandwich with some tomato puree and Greek yogurt.